Welcome. Today we're going to go through the steps to create your very own server on Discord using your Android device. Whether you're looking to set up a space for gaming, chatting, or community events, creating a server is a great way to connect with friends. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Create Group DM icon in the top right corner. This is where the magic begins. Tap the plus icon to start the process. Next, you'll see a few options. Tap on Create My Own to set up a server tailored just for you. From there, you'll be prompted to choose a purpose for your server. For this example, select For Me and My Friends. This option is perfect for casual hangouts and conversations. Now it's time to give your server a name and add a profile photo. Think of something catchy that represents what your server is all about. After you've filled in the details, tap Create Server. This will bring your new server to life. Once your server is created, don't forget to tap Done in the top right corner. You're almost there. Now you can start inviting your friends to join your server. This is where the fun begins. Send them invites and start building your community. And that's it. You've successfully created your own Discord server. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content on how to make the most out of Discord.